Yo, what's up guys? So I'm going to teach you how to use these glasses real quick. You're going to go to the MetaParty parcel, which looks like this now. You're going to walk up the stairs and then you have the stage here, right? If you look over here to the left, there is a NFT scanner. Only glasses allowed. So it's going to scan your NFT. It's going to scan you. It's going to give you the ding and it's going to maybe open the door. And it lets you in through the left side. Walk into the left side of the door and it'll let you in. Once you're in this area, don't walk over here. Walk straight through the blue wall, right? Then you're backstage. If you walk over here to the left side, you have the stage right side, stage left side. Theater people, don't yell at me. I fucked that up maybe. Please don't yell at me. And then you have the center part right here. The center part only gives you access to this like jacuzzi type place. So this is like a little section right here. Go back into the wall and then you can walk. If you follow the black parts of the stage, you can walk through the runway. There are walls on the side of the stage, so you can't walk through like off the sides. So you have to basically follow the black stage. And yeah, that's how this shit works. Love you guys. Hope you have an amazing fashion week. Te amo muchos.